Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Another day in the Himalayas. Right now, we are at Leh and heading to Kardungla Pass from here, and we're going to go further from there to Hunder. We're going to stay for the night. I think that's the Nubra Valley, and it's going to be an exciting day as we have a lot of traveling to do today. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Stay tuned as we explore Ladakh, and we're staying in this hotel. This is the Ladakh Palace Boutique Hotel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned. Here we come, mountains. So, Mighty Kardungla. That's a viewpoint which is stopped at. This is the Mighty Kardungla Pass, and there is no all around. It's cold. It's about minus 15 degrees here at 11 o'clock in the morning. It's freezing cold. Check this out. We are heading to Nubra Valley, Hunder from here. Hopefully we reach there by evening. We're going to do some adventure activities. Stay tuned. We are down from Kardungla Pass, North Pulu, north of Kardungla Pass. And we come down from the Kardungla, the Mighty Kardungla. Didn't stay for long, so we didn't get too many shots in Kardungla. It's been a fun trip. Tomorrow we head back to Leh and then fly back to Bangalore. Stay tuned for last couple of days of our Himalayan escapade, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. So right now we are at Nubra Valley and just approaching Kalsar. We're going to stop for a quick break. a quad sand dune biking here. This is Nubra Valley. Check this out.
The calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear this?
Diskit Monastery.
Can't stop us now.
So we reached Hunder, Nubra Valley. This is our resort, the organic boutique stay at Hunder. This is close to the sand dunes, and we're going there now to check out the camel ride and the quad bikes. What they have, the dune buggies. This is where we're staying. They have tents. They have both tents and rooms. Nice property.
Things about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. With the revolution.
Who's this young lady?
Can you hear the sound?
Should we open the door for you, madam?
Ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. With the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. With the revolution.
How was the experience?
Scary. You went too fast, Jiggy.
Hey, come on, Jiggy. More power. ये एक और बार मिलेगा. Wow, super. Wow, super.
Why can't you just put this in the car?
No, digital you're saying, digital. So, these are the sand dunes of Ladakh. This is Nubra Valley, and so this was Hunder for you from Nubra Valley in Ladakh. Beautiful place, sand dunes of Ladakh. Never imagined there would be a sand dune desert here in Ladakh, in the land of snow and mountains, land of high passes, Ladakh. But we have a sand dune desert, and the off-roading on the quad bike was awesome fun. Also the camel ride. We did some bow and arrow. Lot of activities around here. So if you do like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. That's it for today. Hope you guys like the video once again, and if you have any comments, do write on the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs, hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. So until tomorrow, it's ciao, adios and goodbye.